Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Ford F-150. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips screwdriver and a measuring tape. Next, find a level surface and park your truck about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct, as this affects the vehicle's stance and the accuracy of your adjustments. This initial setup is crucial for precise headlight alignment. Now, let's prepare your wall for marking. Measure the distance from the ground to the very center of each headlight on your F-150. Transfer these measurements to the wall, marking a horizontal line for each headlight. Then, draw a second horizontal line exactly 2 inches below your initial marks. These lines will serve as your precise guides for vertical beam alignment. With your marks in place, it's time to adjust the beams. Open your hood and locate the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. You'll typically find one for vertical and one for horizontal movement. Use your Phillips screwdriver to turn the vertical adjustment screw until the top edge of the headlight beam aligns with the lower horizontal line you drew on the wall. Then, adjust the horizontal screw to center the beam. After making your adjustments, take a moment to double-check that both headlight beams are perfectly aligned and level. It's a good idea to take your F-150 for a test drive at night to ensure optimal visibility and confirm that your headlights aren't blinding oncoming drivers. Remember, proper alignment significantly improves safety. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.